What's happening, you beautiful folks? Welcome into my YouTube channel. This is Ipaintcreatures, also known as IPC. I always start these videos out by showing full gratitude from my open heart and thank you all for subscribing, taking the precious time in your day to watch these videos and come along on my artistic journey through poetry, painting, and self-development, making yourself a better being to experience the life you came here to experience. And today I have another Basho, Matsuo Basho, the creator of haiku from the 1600s in Japan, my heritage. And he says, every day is a journey, and the journey itself is home. And I also have another quote that put up in my bathroom, and it says, every day is a festival. And the way I like to look at the way I do things is, first of all, I think you need to, do treatments and get your mindset right. And one of the ways I get it right is I say, I banish the past and I live in the wonderful now, where happy surprises come to me each day. And so if you look at more, you're investing your thoughts, your time, your energy, more than you're spending them and using them up. You're investing them in all that you love, in the passion, and what you can experience in this lifetime. And it allows you, to look at everything more as like a journey. And in that journey, you find yourself, which is the home. And especially a lot of things I do, like right here, I'm doing a commission of a bear creature who plays board games. And, it's just one of those happy surprises that arrives, because I put myself out there. I really always love to paint and draw and tell stories and bring things out of my imagination and show people how I see things. And started putting it out here on the internet, and then found people who could use my services and really get inspired by the products I make. And it just makes everything a journey, and that is home. That is my security, and that is what I look forward to. When I lay down to go to sleep each night, I wake up the next day, that all my greatest expectations are now coming to pass. Because I kind of just give way to my imagination, and you got to remember, our imagination is infinite. It doesn't really have any boundaries or ends. Like, we actually put the boundaries and the ends on it. And so one way to open it up is definitely look at, the journey being home. I've always identified in a lot of my poetry, I always use the term as an outlaw or a rambler. And the more I use it, I look at outlaw, literally what it means. I'm outside the law. It doesn't mean I don't follow laws. I actually have, a higher virtue than kind of man-made laws. And I follow my laws, and that works for me, And then the rambler, you used to think it's just someone who's traveling, but it's more, what this quote says, make every day a journey, and that journey can be home. So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys all real soon.